The B751 Color ebook reader. I use it only for reading ebooks, so color is not something I need, and I don't use the stylus, so that is not everything for me either. I don't use styluses whatsoever, but for reading books I can recommend this, even if the display is a bit darker. But if you can stand having a bit worse battery life, and that lasts also only 3 to 4 days instead of weeks, then this device is excellent for reading ebooks. And if you use touch instead of physical buttons and have maybe manual rotation on instead of automatic rotation. But maybe Bigme will release some bug fixes for the buttons and auto rotation. We can hope so, at least. Okay, so I think I will summarize this with saying that I will use this mainly for co-reader and Storytel. And when using Storytel, for example, I can have them in sync on all my devices that can run Storytel. So for example, I have this Onyx Books Palma with me when I go out, and have this inside when at home, for example. Those two scenarios is for me, and have everything in sync with my co-reader and my Storytel. So, okay, bye.